Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I'm checking out a new security camera from Sonoff. This seems to be their first foray into security cams, so let's see how good it is. This is the Sonoff GK200MP2-B wireless security camera. It has the standard IP camera features such as 1080p video recording, IR night vision, two-way audio, motion detection, and this being a PTZ or pan tilt zoom camera, it can rotate 360 degrees. Opening up the box, we have the camera. Let's place it to the side, a QC pass card, mounting screws, a manual, a mounting plate. Now for the camera itself, we need to get rid of this protective film. Oh, this is quite a different design compared to a lot of PTZ cameras I've seen before. This part lies down flat and can move up and down as necessary. I don't think I should be moving it around manually. The three holes in front are the mics for two-way communication. We have the big circle which is the main camera lens, and above that is the IR receiver. The IR LEDs are on the sides of the lens and will be visible when it turns on. On the back we have an Ethernet port, a microSD card slot, and a DC power port. On the bottom we have a reset button. You can see speaker holes too on the bottom. The speaker would be used for instructions and also for two-way communication. It also has rubber feet on the bottom if you want to just place it somewhere and not mount it. An important point to note is that the power adapter is sold separately and you need to pick one up as per your country. So make sure you don't make the same mistake I did. Luckily, one of my older power adapters worked and the camera is online. It uses a barrel port, which not many might have. If it was micro USB or USB-C, it would have been much better. Using the EV Link app, we can add the camera. Tap on the plus button below and select sound pairing. Reset the camera to factory settings to make sure it's ready to pair. Enter your Wi-Fi details and wait for a few seconds. The camera is found and ready to use. I can use the app to pan and tilt the camera around. Sonoff provides cloud recording if you would like to subscribe for it. I am using a microSD card for local recording and it's easy enough to install. Once installed, format the card so that it's usable by the camera. The camera can tilt to a max of 340 degrees horizontally and 120 degrees vertically. The mount allows installing the camera on the ceiling or on the wall. But if you don't want to mount it anywhere, it can be placed on any flat surface, as it does have rubber feet. The app enables viewing the video feed remotely and from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Video playback and recording is at 1080p, but at a paltry 10 FPS. It's fine enough to get details in the scene, but not very smooth. Night vision is good and you can see the objects clearly in pitch darkness. The IR LEDs are automatically activated in low light and visibility is estimated to be around 15 meters. We have the options to pan and tilt the camera using these buttons here. Two-way communication is initiated using this button here.
This is the quality of the audio via the camera. This is used for two-way communication.
We can manually start recording using this button, and also a snapshot button is available to take a quick snapshot. We can mute the audio, select the stream quality between SD and HD using these options. Here we can see the current frame rate, which hovers around 8 to 11 FPS. And we have a full screen button here. On the top right, we have the advanced settings where we can set the name, update the firmware, and more. Motion detection option, if activated, will send you an alert to your phone, and we can set the sensitivity here. We can also have a sound playback on the speaker if any motion is detected. MicroSD card storage is supported and it can support up to 128 GB cards. Local record allows you to record to a microSD card, and the view local videos option allows you to view all the recordings. There are no thumbnails available for some reason, and there is no way to filter by date and time. Just a long list. If you wanted the latest recording on top, it's fine. But if you are searching for something specific from an earlier date, it's not going to be easy if you have a lot of recordings. You also don't have any option to download the recording, which is actually a necessary feature. The microSD card can be removed and inserted into a computer, and the files seem to be separated by date, which is nice to sort through, but it is a bit tedious if you need to check the footage regularly. More settings. Here we have the options to set the speaker volume, mic sensitivity, time zone. This is important as the date and time is stamped onto the video, and you can format the SD card and also restart the camera from here. If the camera is installed on the ceiling, you can use the rotate option here to make it the right side up on the app. RTSP streaming is supported if you want to use a third-party app to view the feed or connect it to an NVR or network video recorder. The camera is also not waterproof, so it can be only used as an indoor camera. We can set up smart scenes for when motion is detected on your camera, and you can control devices on the EV-Link app. You could have lights, fans, air conditioners to turn on when motion is detected and turn off when no one is around. Well, I've tested quite a lot of cameras, and the GK200MP2-B is a good start from Sonoff, but a lot more polishing is required, and the unique pan and tilt design is nice to see, and the video quality, it's not bad, albeit at 10 FPS. Smart device interconnectivity is the USP of the camera. This seems to be the only camera in Sonoff's inventory. Not sure if any new ones are going to be released. And pricing is similar to most IP cameras in the market, which is currently around ₹1299 or $20. It was $30 earlier, so not sure how long it's going to be staying at that price. And make sure to purchase the appropriate power adapter for your camera, as it doesn't come with one. So you have to choose one according to your country. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time.